Samahan niyo ako sa aking paglalakbay dito sa Montenegro. So for today's video, we're going to hike. So while walking, I'm gonna show you around and I'll give you a brief context about Montenegro. So, Montenegro is one of Balkan country in Southeast Europe. Kilala rin sila because of their dramatic Adriatic coastline, rugged mountains o mabatong bundok, at marami pang iba. Isa nga sa kanilang tourist spot ay ang Kotor Fortress or St. John Fortress. This is moderate intensity hike or para sa mga beginner hikers, pwedeng-pwede ito. It takes like 45 minutes to 1 hour. Let's enjoy the view! Sino ba namang hindi mai-inlove for this stunning panoramic view? By the way guys, before I forgot, it has an entrance fee for 15 euros, but in winter time it's free of cost, so you can go by free, and there is another way also that you can pass by the entrance, like you will go the other side, so you can check another videos. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Adios!